Hey guys, it's a bright, nice, sunny day, and I'm just out here checking on my garden. But I'm going to take you guys inside for a second because I want to give you a stevia update. I planted the stevia, about 5 days ago, and I've got some new leaves coming in already. And I see where I'm going to be able to propagate them again soon. So let's head on inside, guys, and we're going to check that out. But guys, before we get started, let's not forget to get our yard work done. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. You know I love to chit chat with you guys. All right. And guys, before we go over to our stevia plants, I also wanted to say that learning to propagate has been interesting to me because I realized if I learn how to propagate everything I plant, I can always have something to plant. I can have an abundance. It was so easy. It was fun. And watching the fruits of my labor as it progresses, guys, OMG. So the advice I can give to you guys today, learn to propagate. I've got some tomatoes out there that are still growing. And yes, it's the end of October. But you see, I'm in zone 7B. It's like 70-something degrees out there. They're still flowering. So I've pulled all my tomatoes off of it, and I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to still tend to it as if it was the middle of the summer. I don't know if any more tomatoes are going to come off of it, but by the time it really reaches the freezing point here, I'm going to cut me a few shoots off, and I'm going to see if I can propagate those for next year, because I had a real good harvest for tomatoes. And I can have the same one again next year. Okay, guys, I'm not going to overtalk this. Let's check on the stevia plants. Okay, guys, we are back inside, and this is where I have them. They're actually on the floor. I want to get them up because you can see the distance from my window. So they're really not getting the sunlight that I want, but I don't have a table to put them on. So I'm left with the floor for now until I can get a table or something, a folding table or something to put them on. But at any rate, I have some new leaves growing, not in all of them, but in some of them. I'm going to start back here with this one. Can you see these leaves down here, guys? This is all new growth. Let me come around to this side and see down in there, all around there, that's all new growth. And also just coming up this same stem, can you see right here? Let me see, can you see right here? That's new growth as well, guys. So I've got some new growth here too, so I'm hoping that they bush out quite a bit in there, but if not, I'm gonna give this a cut in half, let this part grow out, and start it all over again. This one, I don't see anything happening. Matter of fact, I need to pinch off these leaves because they look like they're dying. So I'm gonna redo that one. I'm gonna have to redo this one the same way. I don't see any new growth happening. And I think the leaves that are on there need to come off. This one too. But back here, and this is another one, guys. Look at the new growth down there. Look at that in just 5 days. And here is some more new growth growing in the middle. Can you see that? Let's see, can you see that right there? That's new growth. And all around on the side. This one has quite a bit of new growth growing in there, so I'm really happy with that one. And it seems like the ones with the taller stems are doing the best. Now let's go on over here. This one you'd think wasn't doing anything, but if you look really, really well, down there, you can see the new growth coming in down here too. Flowers coming down there. This one, again, the same thing. I think I'm going to have to redo it or repot it or something, or I'm going to take off all the leaves and see what happens if I can get some new growth started. And the same here. Now coming over here, this is another short one. But as you see, guys, there's new growth going in here too. And down there on this stem. And it seems like the stems that I had that were the barest, that didn't have anything on it. Let me turn this one around a little bit. This one even has new growth coming in down here too. That's actually new growth. See that bright green? So it seems like, and oh, I just noticed some more new growth up here. This was my first time, well, these are my first stevia plants, guys. And this is my first time propagating as well, at least stevia plants. I have done some inside plants like that before, but never any vegetables or anything. This one's really going good. I can take another look at that. So I'm happy with the progress in 5 days, and I see what I need to do with the other ones to possibly get them going like these. But I'm going to keep giving you updates, weekly updates, or updates as progress happens, guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated as progress happens. Okay, guys, well, I guess that's going to be it for this video. Okay, guys, I'm back out in the garden, and I'm going to do a little yard work myself, and I hope you guys remember to do your yard work. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you'll get all my videos every time I upload them. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to hang out with your girl. So tap that bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave me some comments. Until next time, love you guys.